पहले मुझे लगा कि far women's हैं because you know everybody is synonymous with far women's deodorant and I have used it and I love it. So I said, okay, yes, I would be very interested. And then came the thing that they want me to endorse the men. Concept was so interesting. It's aspirational. It's about this guy next door using far deodorant and getting to dance with the woman of their dreams. So there was a fun concept going with it, and definitely the brand value, like, you know, Yasmin already has explained, Far has been there forever. And in India, they have been like almost 9 years. And they've been doing really fantastically. So, yes, that's the reason why I'm endorsing this brand. Definitely, सबसे पहला gift John को जाएगा. So he's closest to me, so I'll give it to him first. And then, because I'm shooting with Mr. Ajay Devgan, Sanjay Dutt, and Fardeen Khan now, from tomorrow onwards, I'll take some deodorant back and give it to them. This is serious business at the end of the day. There's a lot of credibility going into the product that we are endorsing. It's when we say it's a fun concept, does not take away from the fact that it has brand value. It's been in the business. It's known for the commodity that, you know, we are selling. I just feel that at the end of the day, it all boils down to pure business and providing the consumer with good quality of product. मुझे हमेशा से एक, you know, affinity, you know, attraction है, you know, when a man puts a deodorant or a perfume, a woman smells it. So it's very important that your man or any men around you smell good. So it's a very important thing, and it really smells good. The deodorant that we're talking about today is fantastic to smell.